Good morning. I'm Noah Mercer, and you're tuned in to the FinMonkeys Morning Brief, your quick-hit guide to what's moving the markets today. First up, Treasury yields slipped, and oil prices fell after the Strait of Hormuz reopened, easing inflation pressure. Next, gold has gone flat as traders wait on the core PCE report, a key gauge the Fed watches. Finally, Micron's earnings have sparked a surprise rally across memory stocks, giving tech a fresh lift. Each of these stories is shaping equity valuations, dollar strength, and the policy backdrop for the day. The real driver right now is the interplay between yields and commodity prices. With yields easing, equity valuations get a modest boost, while a stronger dollar can weigh on import-heavy sectors. At the same time, the pause in gold prices tells us investors are fixated on the upcoming core PCE data, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, and are holding off on safe haven bets until they see what the numbers say. All eyes are on the U.S. core personal consumption expenditures report due later this week. If the data shows inflation staying stubborn, the market could price in a September rate hike, which would lift borrowing costs across the board. Adding another layer, the Federal Reserve announced Kevin Warsh as its new leader, while keeping policy rates steady. Warsh's appointment signals continuity, but the Fed's decision to wait underscores that they're still gauging the inflation picture before taking. Turning to tech, Micron's earnings surprised on the downside for AI-driven demand, but the results sparked a broader rally in Asian equities. The news was taken as a sign that AI spending may be more measured, lifting sentiment across the region. Memory stocks like Western Digital, Seagate, and others followed suit, reigning confidence in the semiconductor sector despite earlier concerns. That momentum in chip stocks could give the broader market a boost as investors look for growth catalysts. That's the FinMonkeys Morning Brief for today. The next thing to watch is core PCE numbers later today and any Fed commentary on rate policy. Thanks for listening to FinMonkeys. We'll be back tomorrow with the next market setup.